Hi, this video will show you about borrowing in Sora. I have decided that I want to possibly check out the book called Patron Saint of Nothing, so I've already done a search for that in the Explore tab. And I see that Parkway has both a book and an audiobook of Patron Saints of Nothing. It is, I know that this one is an audiobook because it has a headphone icon down at the bottom. So I can borrow the book directly from here by clicking on the blue borrow word. I can read a sample of the book to see if I like it. I can also add it to a list, which I'll talk more about in just a minute. Let's say I'm just not completely sold yet and I want more information. I can open it up to see more information here on the left, such as the language, the author, the audience, the reading levels, and how many copies there are. Let's say I know that I like this author, but I'm not sure if I want this book. I can click on the name of the author and it will show me the other titles that Parkway owns by this author. There's some more information about a summary. And then we have, again, the choice over here to read a sample of the book. So if I click on that, I can go into just a small snapshot of the book, or I can add it to a list. So if I click on add it to a list, I've already started a list called what I want to read next, but you can create a new list and call it whatever you'd like. I'm going to add it to that list. And now I do think I'm going to go ahead and check this out. So I click on the word borrow and it immediately opens up the book, says that I have borrowed it, and it is ready to read. If I want more information about when I checked it out and when it's due, I can go back to the shelf page and see over here that, well, first of all, I can open it, but I can see that it's due in 14 days. I can click the word options here and I can renew it when it gets close to the 14 days, or it's due 13 days from now. I can go ahead and return it, and that allows other students that might be waiting for it to be able to go ahead and check it out. Like if I know that I've already finished it or that I'm not going to finish it, it's good to return it before the due date. I can click send it to a device, and you can send it to a Kindle device. I can mark it as done. I can look at the notes and highlights I've made. I can rearrange my list here, and then I can go back and see the book details again there. So those are all the things that you need to know about how to borrow a book in Sora.